Hi, so this is about RF UI, how we do the work with the process flow. So here what I have done, I designed the screen, already designed in the previous session. Here what I did actually, I create the purchase order in the ECC system, then inbound delivery, then warehouse task. So as we know, warehouse order, when we create the warehouse tasks for workers, for warehouse workers, then what they do, they will pick the goods from the interim location GR zone, okay, and they will put into the from the rail door, and they will put into the destination bin. And here I explain how to work with the specific user. Means here I created two user, EWM user 8, EWM user 9. So EWM user 8 has functionality only for to do the inbound process, and the 9 they have accessibility for all. See here, see EWM user 9, yeah, 9 is we have all the features. So it means, so EWM this user 9 user is authorized for all the functionalities for to access all the queues. These are the queues: outbound, inbound, yard. So this is the